Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fast Track English. How are you all? I'm fine, thank you, and I hope the same with you. You people might be wondering, what is this Fast Track English? Just kidding. The reason behind calling it Fast Track English is to learn to speak in English in a faster, smoother and easier way, okay? I'll be helping you people to speak in English. Those who already know to speak in English will be polishing their skills in an easy way, okay? We are not going to do the grammar. We are not going to dig the gender, verbs, nouns, tenses and all. Of course, they are included in our sentences and conversations. But to make you people learn in a very smoother and easier way, I have named it as Fast Track English, okay? Before we go into the concept, the content and concept, I would like you to please focus on one major thing. That is, please concentrate and listen to the sounds as well. Sounds in the sense, the pronunciation, okay? So here we call it as listening skills, okay? Listening is very important in English. The more you listen, okay, it carries it to your mind and it will help you to pronounce it properly. Fine. So now we are not going to focus on the accent. My focus would be on neutral accent. Fine. Neutral accent is the right way of articulation, intonation and modulation. When I call it articulation, it's your jaw movement, yeah, mouth movement, okay? The pronunciation of an English word would come out better when you articulate your mouth, your jaw, which plays a major important role, okay? Now when I say a particular word, see, just listen. For example, I say it as particular, okay? So I'm focusing on the sound, particular, right? Now, if you focus it very well, particular, it sounds very good and you can understand. If I don't focus on the neutral way and I just say particular, it's very low, right? So that is where we are focusing, okay? My major intention here is to focus in speaking good English with carrying on articulation, intonation and modulation of your tone as well, okay? So please be good at your listening skills and the sentences as well, what I am focusing and where are we going, okay? Now, here I have few examples, like few simple 5 to 6 sentences which are helpful in your daily life, daily conversation. So first thing, how are you? The first gesture, it's like an etiquette. Whoever you meet, you ask them, right? Hey, how are you? So here everyone knows how to say how are you. A small change in it. When I said you articulation, intonation and modulation, here it plays a major important role. Yes, trust me. Now look at me. Listen. How are you? Got it? How are you? My intonation is going on you. The other way of saying, how are you? How are you? Okay, so you can say in different ways. That is called intonation and modulation. So, how are you? How are you? How are you? Okay, so this is what we have to focus, which sounds good and pleasant. So when you speak to the person using your articulation, intonation and modulation, it sounds beautiful. So keep practicing.